The 2024 Mazda CX-60 G40e Azami aims to compete with premium SUVs by offering a punchy petrol inline 6 and a rear-drive bias at a more affordable price. The flagship model features a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline 6 with mild hybrid technology, distinctive design elements, and a luxurious interior. Pros: punchy petrol inline 6 engine. Deft handling for a SUV of this size. Stylish tan Nappa leather interior with quilted seats. Competitive pricing compared to premium rivals. Rear-drive balance provides a dynamic driving experience. High-end features like heated and ventilated seats, adaptive cruise control, and lane keep assist. Cons: firm ride may not be suitable for all tastes. In-house transmission needs improvement. Azami spec can get expensive. Lack of softer surfaces in the interior compared to some competitors. Cargo volume is not as spacious as some premium rivals. Pricing: CX-60 G40e Azami starts from $73,000 before on-road costs. Optional SP package adds $2,000. Competitively priced against premium rivals like Audi Q5 and Volvo XC60. Interior: SP package offers a stylish tan Nappa leather interior with quilted seats. Comfortable front seats with heating and ventilation. Dual 12.3-inch displays for instrument cluster and central infotainment. Mazda Connect interface with standard features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. Quality fit and finish with a mix of soft touch materials and hard surfaces. Decent storage options including cup holders, wireless phone charger, and USB-C inputs. Under the bonnet, G40e 3.3-liter turbocharged inline 6 with 48V mild hybrid technology. 209 kilowatts, 5,000-6,000 RPM, and 450 Nm, 2,000-3,500 RPM. Rear-biased all-wheel drive system with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Acceleration from 0-100 in 6.9 seconds. Towing capacity up to 2,500 kilograms. Fuel efficiency comparable to naturally aspirated CX-5 G25 petrol, 7.4 L/100 km. Driving experience: firm ride, but improved in city conditions. Dynamic handling with a rear-drive balance. Strong performance from the turbocharged inline 6. Responsive 8-speed automatic transmission, though occasional lower speed shifts can be iffy. Enjoyable driving experience on highways and B roads. Safety: 5-star ANCAP safety rating. Adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. Azami adds adaptive LED headlights, front cross-traffic alert, and surround view cameras. Vision technology package available for Evolve and GT grades. Cost to run: 5-year, unlimited kilometer warranty. Scheduled servicing required every 12 months or 15,000 kilometers. G40e Azami service pricing ranges from $447 to $749 for the first 5 services. Conclusion: the Mazda CX-60 G40e Azami offers a unique proposition with its punchy inline 6 engine, dynamic handling, and stylish interior at a competitive price point. While it may have some drawbacks, such as the firm ride and in-house transmission, it presents a compelling option for those looking for a premium SUV without breaking the bank. The diesel variant is recommended for fuel efficiency, but the G40e provides a more engaging driving experience. Overall, it's worth considering if you're in the market for a SUV in this segment.